This week there's an EU summit in Brussels where the 27 leaders of the governments across Europe come together to talk about the budget. Now, this is an important meeting because it's a 7-year budget from 2014 to 2020. And we've heard a lot in the House of Commons from David Cameron and from Ed Miliband on how important it is for the UK that we cut the amount of money that's being spent in Europe. But is that true for Wales? Well, I've looked at the figures and we had to do quite a lot of research to put these figures together. And actually, it's not true. If you compare what each person in Wales pays in comparison with what we in Wales get back from the European Union budget in all kinds of funds and schemes, then every person is about £40 a year better off. So it's in Wales's interest that we don't cut the EU budget, that we keep this money coming to invest in our communities and in jobs.